here for Academy Class. In this tip of the week video, we're going to be taking a look at how to improve your layer thumbnails. Now, in the layers panel, we can see the layer thumbnails, and the layer thumbnails are there to give you a way of navigating and finding out what you've got on each layer. Now, if we take a look at these layer thumbnails, it's not super obvious what is on each layer because the cakes only take up a small part of the layer of the document. I'll show you this. So if I alt click on one of the eyes on the layer thumbnail, it will hide all the other layers and just show me one layer at a time. And you can see that this cake here only takes up a small part of the document. Therefore, the thumbnail shows you that as well. So what we can do is we can modify the thumbnail settings to make it easy to see what's on each layer. So in the layers panel, I'm going to go into the menu in the top right corner. I'm going to come down to panel options, and I'll just pull the panel over. So one thing we can do is make the thumbnail size bigger, and then we can swap from having the thumbnail show the entire document size to just the content of the layer, which is the layer bounds, in this case the cake. So now when I click OK, you can now see that my layer thumbnails are bigger and it's a lot easier to see what I've got on each layer. So thank you for watching the video.